Excuse me.
Hi, sir.
Hi, how are you? Hello.
Hey.
How you doing? Kind of hot today. Ain't it? Oh, they got lots of ulam here. Marami. You don't mess around. It's enough for an army. That's a lot. Hello. And you're cooking all of this? Wow.
Hey.
It's a good cell phone repair guy here, Ryan's. Hello. How much they charge to repair charging port?
Charging
C-type.
Type C.
Huh? 1, 2. Where do they repair it? In Olongapo?
No. Change board.
Right.
Brand new board.
Right, but where do they change it? Here or in?
If you have a model of your board, what kind of your cell phone?
Oppo Reno
Reno
6.
Reno 6. Wait, if I have a Reno 6 charging board. No.
Wala. Okay. Anyway, I'll see Ryan when I go to Olongapo.
Because another branch, Records.
Yeah.
Supermarket.
Uh-uh.
I have one branch there.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I know your branch there. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Donuts. Hello. How are you? Oh, lots of food, huh? Hello. So you guys are on a road trip?
Yes.
Saan? Where are you going?
Santa Cruz, Zambales.
Oh, okay, well you drive safely. Okay. I know it's hard sometimes. Anyway, no rain.
Yes.
Okay, well nice to meet you.
Okay, sir.
I think I saw you before when they had all the motorcycles by City Hall. They had a rally.
Yes, po.
Yeah. Okay, dokie. Take care.
Me.
Wait, you're alone?
Yes.
Okay. Wala kasama. Okay, if I had a helmet, I would go with you, but I don't have a helmet.
Okay.
Bye-bye. Thank you. Hello. How are you?
I'm good.
You're here all day, huh?
Yes.
You need electric fan.
I don't need.
Huh?
Yes.
No. Oh. Okay, take care. Oh, it's closed. I was gonna buy me a lotto ticket. Ah, break time lang. That's only her break time. Okay, I'll be back. Hello. Oh, you have a nice star. Very cute. Hello. This is your store? Your store?
No, it's buying.
Oh, did buying fruits?
Yeah.
Okay, she's tired.
It's so hot.
Oh, very hot. So you have school tomorrow?
Yeah.
Yeah, balik to school. Okay, ikaw, you still study?
No.
Working?
Just staying at home.
Okay, that's a good job. I like that. Okay, well, take care. And what school do you attend?
Diyan na bibitin mo?
Where do you study?
Oh, just near in.
Over there. Barreto?
Yeah, pala to. Walumban.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, up the hill.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know that school. It's hard to walk. Okay, take care. Study hard. Hello. You have a very nice fruit stand.
Thank you, sir.
Very nice. Oh yeah, very good.
Delivery na doon ni Kuya. Dali. Teka, doon na may...
Oh, watermelon. Oh. Well, that was interesting. Hello, sir. Hello. Init. Yeah, it's kind of hot today. I'm gonna go in here. Hello. Oh, I have to be careful here. Oh. Hello. Hi. This is a nice place. Oh. Hello. They got some nice vehicles here. I mean, you can't deny that. Whoever says Philippines third world country, it might be in some places, but in a lot of places it's not bad. Sure, you got the slums of Manila and places like that. Life is hard, but that's the same way it is in Los Angeles, Vegas, New York. Hello. So hot today. And we didn't bring our umbrellas. Well, take care.
Thank you.
Oh. Hello. I lost my voice. Where's my voice?